guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing. I'm super excited. On my Instagram I did post that I did buy a new handbag, and I asked you guys if you had any guesses, and most of you were right, and I was so surprised. But I did do a previous story posting this handbag because there is two versions of it in canvases. They have different canvases. And I asked you guys which one you liked better, and you guys picked the one that I was leaning more towards, so I'm so happy to unbox it with you guys. But hello, if any of you are new here, my name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, pretty much everything luxury. So if you're that kind of thing as well, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And yeah, so let's get right into this unboxing. So this is the box that it came in, humongous, but not as big as the ones that I usually get from Louis Vuitton when I buy online. But when you open it, it says Louis Vuitton right here. It says Louis Vuitton, super cool. And then this is the box that it came in. I love Louis Vuitton boxes, you guys know that. So, how am I gonna do this? It is a magnetic classic opening and closure. Ooh, I just hit myself in the face. And here is the boring receipt, which, you know, has the usual. This is the receipt, proof of purchase. It has a return label, and the ribbon didn't come on the box, but it did come like this with like the little tag if you're giving it to someone. Which I'm not, I'm giving it to me, for me. So, yes, now the big reveal. So this is the dust bag that it comes in. Right here, OMG, super exciting. If you guys want to pause the video and guess what this is, please do now. But I cannot wait any longer. I'm super excited. So, the bag that I ended up getting, which, here's a little story. I didn't hate this bag, but I just was never attracted to it. Every time I saw it, I was like, it's a nice bag, but not for me. Not for me. And then ever since I tried it on in New York City, if you guys didn't see that vlog, I will post it up about this video. I tried it on there and I never really stopped thinking about it. It was always on the back of my mind, and I was just like, really like that bag. I liked how it fit on me because I did a video on handbags that fit plus size girls. I am a plus size girl, and it's hard to find bags that fit right but also like fit with my body frame. So this handbag definitely does that, and I will do mod shots in my first impressions video because I plan on doing a what's in my bag video for this and first impressions. So if you aren't subscribed, subscribe so you can find out what those videos are going to be all about, and when they're going to be posted. But anyway, let's get with the reveal. So the bag that I'm talking about is, dun 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 dun, yes guys, the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Pochette, I don't know, Metis, I don't know how people say it, but I call it Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. And I got it in the all monogram. I was considering the verse monogram, but I just wanted to keep it classic this time. This is such a beautiful handbag. Everything about it is just stunning. The leather bit right here, which I plan to get a bandeau for if I do end up keeping this handbag. So yes, I'm considering returning this handbag because I'm not sure if it's still for me. Like, I want to experiment a little bit with this bag and see if it fits with my lifestyle and see if I still love it, because I'm weird sometimes. I'll fall in love with a bag, buy it, and then fall out of love, like I did with my YSL Lulu small bag. I thought I was over and I thought I was like so in love with that bag, and then I ended up returning it because, not returning it, I ended up selling it because I just fell out of love with it. So wanted to experiment with this bag, and this bag was so easy to get online, which a couple months ago when I was searching it online, it was out of stock, and it's been out of stock, and it's kind of hard to get your hands on sometimes. But I was so surprised to have this be available online, which was convenient because if I do end up not wanting it, I can easily return it without going to the store, which is very far from me, so it all works out. So this is the Pochette Metis in the regular monogram canvas. It has leather bits right here, and also the strap right here is leather, and then also right here has a leather piece, and right here, which you put the strap on, which I will get into in a second. But over here has the gold opening enclosure. Has like a button closure, which is, first of all, so this isn't a true unboxing, by the way. As soon as I got this item, I had to see it. Because like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it, if I wanted to do even a video on this, because I didn't want to do a video to then just return it. Like, it wouldn't make sense for me. So I am considering to keep it, but still not sure yet. But I still wanted to do this video for you guys, blah blah blah. I'm like talking so much. Okay, so anyway, the way you open and close this bag is there's like a button clasp right here that you just push in, which is hard if there's nothing in the bag. So you kind of like have to press on it, but the way you open it is you just press this to the side and it opens right up. So that is nice. Also, this bag features a back pocket, which is very convenient. You guys know how I love my bags to have some compartments, and this is perfect to fit my phone and my mask that I have to bring everywhere, and maybe a card holder, something that's easy and accessible at all times. So I'm loving this back pocket right here. Also, this bag features 3 little separate compartments, which you guys know I love my handbags to be organized, so that is a plus for me, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, this is the overall exterior of the bag. I'll give you guys an up close look of it one more time. So this is the top with the leather bit, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, has a leather bit here. The gold opening enclosure is stunning. It is gold. It still has the stickers on there, and then it has the Louis Vuitton emblem at the top. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. There we go. Very beautiful. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then at the back it has this giant zipper and opening enclosure like I showed you before. Okay, so let's get into the inside of the bag. So this is the strap, which I'll show you in a second. But in the inside of the bag, it has like 3 little slots. So the first slot is has nothing, it has no pockets. And then the second slot has this leather bit that says Louis Vuitton Paris. And then it also has a 3rd slot right here. And then the inside is canvas, like so. And the interior is like a suede material, which is very nice. But you do have to be careful with that, with like your keys and stuff. But it is a brown suede interior, as you guys can see, which is really nice, like I said. And now I'm going to show you the strap. So this is the strap of the bag, which I love because it isn't vachetta leather, which can be ruined if it rains outside or whatnot. But this is canvas, which is really nice and really puts the bag together because it has the logos on there, the Louis Vuitton logos, and it's just a very well made strap, which I really like. Oh, the way you put the strap on is by these little D-rings on the side, like I showed you before when I was showing you the exterior, and it's hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like with the strap on, and it is adjustable, which is another plus. As you guys know, I love a strap that's adjustable, where I can make it shorter or longer if I want to, which is really nice. And these are like the holes. It goes from here all the way down to there, and it's just a really nice buckle, gold metal. And yeah, this bag is overall so nice. I'm still not sure if I want it or want to keep it. This bag for me, it definitely has more pros than cons. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing. If you have any questions or if you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments, or you can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my name on the screen. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.